1999 Lexus GS400 lowers. Beautiful car, look. You don't find these much anymore, especially in a V8. And as you guys can see, look what we did to it. Factory converter there and there, a complete 2.5-inch system with something special. We'll let you guys see in a second. Those 2.5 here, there, X-pipe in the middle, 2.5 continues all the way back, all custom built. And then we put 2 VALVETRONICS mufflers on it, there and there. There'll be a link in the description for them. And then he brought his own 4-inch tips that we put out the back, there and there. There's the 2 mufflers we cut off. There's the resonators. There's that complete system. Another resonator there. And the Y-pipe setup there, as you guys can see. That's all that was on it before. And that's what it looks like after. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more beautiful content. Wow. It's quiet. That's with the valves closed, guys. He'll bring you back next week. Here's sound decibels again. As you guys can see, it's only at 98, so it's very quiet. So it's gonna bring you back next week, and we'll let you guys hear it after. Go ahead and back it up. Yeah. I don't think it needs it.
We'll see how it sounds whenever you...
Yeah, when you open it, that's the main key. Let you guys hear on the inside. Tell us what you guys think. This is with the VALVETRONICS open. Look at the huge difference. Your sound decibels? 117. Again? 180. VALVETRONICS. This is for you, Austin, at VALVETRONICS. Hit him up. Tell him we give him a shout out. If you guys want him, there'll be a link for the YouTube, and there'll be a link for their Instagram. Or not Instagram, TikTok for VALVETRONICS. One last time. Sounds so different, bro. Go ahead and back it out. VALVETRONICS. Valve exhaust. This is what it sounds like outside. Go ahead. With the valves open. Let you guys hear on the inside. Lexus GS400 with a VALVETRONICS system and custom 2.5-inch with X-pipe cat back. Valves closed. We'll be back next week with the valves open. We'll see the difference. Yeah, baby. Not bad at all. VALVETRONICS full system. This is with the valves open. So much better.